Look at this. Oh my gosh, look. 0 out of 100. 0 out of 100. And this brand is, look, it says USDA organic. Let's investigate. That's shocking. It's an immediate no in our house. I've got to screen record this because you think they're good. I mean, how would you know? I'm going to use the shelf scan. Look at it. It's instantly scanning what it's seeing. That way I can see the rating quickly. And if something stands out to me, I can go ahead and grab it and put it in my cart. One of the reasons why I like to use an app to help me out is sometimes it is so confusing when you're looking at a certain product and it looks healthy, like these Nature's Bakery. It's packaged in a very natural way. It says whole grains, real fruit, no high fructose corn syrup, plant-based, non-GMO, right? You would think this would be a good product to get, yet this is rated a 0 out of 100. Also, they're hearty bars, these soft bake whole grains with protein, fiber, also rated 0. Wow. This breakfast protein, 0. Oh, made good. Mitchell, made good is at 0. Look at this. Oh my gosh, these made good products, look. 0 out of 100. 0 out of 100. Let's investigate. It says to avoid it because it contains seed oils. It has a high processing profile. So we've got sugars, we've got natural flavors, we've got things that I cannot pronounce. But I feel like if anything says seed oil, canola, vegetable, sunflower, it's an immediate no in our house. It raises inflammation, causes all kinds of issues, and that's like an absolute no for us. So bars are one thing that we eat a lot in our house. Now they are a little processed and we would rather eat fresh, healthy, whole foods. But sometimes when you're on the go at a baseball game or whatnot, we need a bar. And also at school, the kids are supposed to bring a dry snack. So here's some of the bars that we love the most here at Target. These That's It bars, let me show you. I throw them in my kids' lunch boxes or they take them as snacks. We eat them a lot for baseball. Y'all, look at the ingredients. Apples, strawberries. That's why this product is called That's It. Gluten-free, it's not cross-contaminated with nuts, which is all things we look for in our house. The strawberry apple is our favorite at our house. Another bar that we eat a lot, my son is gluten-free, so he loves these Go Macro bars. They rate really well. Also, these IQ bars. I personally love these. Always leave one in my car. These RX bars, they also rate very well. Personally, they're not my favorite tasting. This chocolate sea salt one rates really high, and so does this peanut butter one. They sometimes rate a little bit different depending on flavor, but they're nice and clean. So I've been hearing from friends that Lair bars actually rate really well. This one right here has a 100 out of 100 on the Olive app. So this one is a really great flavor to get. This is the lemon bar. I could stand beside a lemon bar. I don't know if our Target is just different from other Targets, so I'm gonna put that in an asterisk. There's just so many other products that are mixed in with the healthy. There's some brands that look healthy. If I was here and I needed to grab a couple of things, I definitely could find something that could be healthy for my family, but I wouldn't say that I could get all of my favorites here.
I actually eat those.
They're good, aren't they?
I get the big monstrosities.
Not the minis? You don't get the minis? You
If
get
I
the
do
big
the
ones.
minis, I have to eat like 6 of them.
Hey, but then if you eat 6 of them, you're getting...
That's a lot of fruit.
That's a lot of fruit veggies. Hey friends, did you love our new video today? Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss any Brommer moments.